Hello dear students, welcome to our online lesson. Today is our 8th lesson and today's our topic is rolling stock basics, and at the end of our lesson we will get acquainted with the passive voice. It will be your grammar module. So let's begin with the rolling stock basics. So this text is about rolling stock. So what is rolling stock? What do you think? Okay, rolling stock originally referred to any vehicle that move on a railway. So it can be steam locomotives, diesel locomotives, electric locomotives, and as well as horse-powered locomotives. So, so our text consists of some extracts, and in the first extract you will get acquainted with the rolling stock itself, and the second extract tells us about the history of rolling stock, and then the third extract also tells us the rolling stock basics, what it looked like in the 17th, 18th centuries, and other extracts also give us information about the rolling stocks. So the last and the most interesting extract is the third one. So in all cases, railway rolling stock wall transmit vertical, horizontal and longitudinal forces to the track and its supports. So what do you understand by this sentence? You are welcome with your answers. You can do this answer, or you can answer to my question orally or in written form, and you are welcome with your answers via Telegram site. So the range of rolling stock. Today there is a very wide range of rolling stock used throughout the world on different railways. This range includes the following basic types. So they are locomotives, freight wagons, passenger coaches, multiple units with motive power inbuilt, and metro cars, light rail, trams, usually articulated units, rail mounted machines, and the last one is inspection and maintenance trolleys. So the next passage tells us about Great Britain, what kind of rolling stock they have, and etc. So, dear students, if you enter the Moodle platform, you can find the Word version, PPT, and video which we downloaded from internet site, and of course listening is detached to this lesson. So what should you do? You should listen to the text carefully and fill in the gaps. Please try to do it yourselves individually, and because this knowledge is very important for you. So okay, let's go to grammar. So today's our grammar is passive voice. So how many voices are there in English? Okay, there are two voices. They are active voice and passive voice. Active voice translated in Russian активный залог. Активный спад. In Uzbek it will be. And passive voice страдательный залог. It will be in Uzbek мачхульный спад. So how we construct passive voice, or how we form passive voice? So we form it in this way: to be plus past participle. So here we can see affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative forms. Let us read. The house was built in 1899. So negative one. The house wasn't built in 1899. Interrogative form. Was the house built in 1899? And the last one is negative interrogative. Wasn't the house built in 1899? Dear students, as you see, so this is to be in the past, and this one is past participle. To be in negative and past participle. To be in interrogative form and past participle. To be in negative interrogative form and past participle. So, these are examples for plural form. For example, these houses were built in 1899. Affirmative. Negative. These houses were not built in 1899. Interrogative form. Were these houses built in 1899? Negative interrogative. Weren't these houses built in 1899? So, then comes another table which shows us the verb to clean in passive voice. For example, the house is cleaned every day. Let us translate this sentence. Значит, дом убирается каждый день. Уй har kune yığıştırılады. The house is being cleaned at the moment. Уй hozirgi paytda yığıştırılyapti. Значит, дом убирается в данный момент. The house was cleaned yesterday. Uy kecha yig'ishtirildi, tozalandi yoki bo'lmasam. So, дом был убран вчера. And then comes past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future, future continuous, present conditional, past conditional, infinitive forms. So, now, dear students, you should form passive voice in appropriate tenses for the following exercise. For example, TV invent Beirut. So, TV was invented by Beirut. So, the next one. Pyramids built Egyptians. So, pyramids were built or was built. What do you think? Yes, you are right. Were built because pyramids are in plural. Pyramids were built by Egyptians. Okay, why do we use by? If you want to tell something is done by something, you should use the preposition by. So, dear students, your home assignment, you should continue this exercise. Of course, in PPT form you can see also exercise. So 11, 12 slides are dedicated to this activity, and please do it at home and do it individually. So today's our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.